At some point, we've all wondered, why am I here? What's the purpose of my life? Is this all I'm meant to be doing? We all get so busy in our lives, but a lot of the time, it leaves us feeling empty. Every day, we have this currency called time that must be spent. But are we spending it wisely? I like to wake up every morning and remind myself that today could be my last day. It's me learning to remember to cherish every experience. This brings total freedom and bliss through detachment. My name is Satpal, and I invite you to join me as we take a journey into ourselves. No matter where you are in life right now, this is your opportunity to start living a life that's full of wisdom and inner peace. What you put into life determines what comes out. So what do you want from your life?